Math Gad.
Oh my god, everyone, welcome to today's video in which we're going to be learning how to sketch a graph from a linear function description. So in this case, guys, we're going to be given two problems which tells us or describe to us a situation, and they're asking us to write down a linear equation or a linear function with intervals of how the graph would change, right? So in the first one, we have Aaron's mother drives to the gas station and fills up her tank. Then she drives to the market. Sketch the graph that shows the relationship between the amount of fuel in the gas tank and her car and time. Okay, so again, they're asking us to graph fuel, right, the gasoline of the car, versus time, right? Time is always going to be our independent variable, and in this case, what is changing is the fuel with time, right? So first of all, the fuel is low, so she goes to the gas station and she uses fuel to go to the gas station, so it lowers, right? Then she fills her fuel, so that means that when she gets gas, the graph actually grows a little bit, right? Because she refills it, and then it lowers once again because she goes to the market. So we have 1, 2, 3 intervals. In the first one, the slope is actually negative because she used it and her fuel was decreasing. On the second interval, the slope is positive because it went up. And in the third one, because she began using fuel again, we see another negative slope. Okay? Now let's take a look at another problem. The problem says Melody starts at her house and rides her bike for 10 minutes to a friend's house. She stays at her friend's house for 60 minutes. Sketch a graph that represents that description. Okay, so we're going to be taking a look at the distance that Melody is going to be moving over a period of time. As we mentioned before, time is always going to be our independent variable in this type of situations. So we know that for the first 10 minutes, she's actually moving to her house. So she is going to make some distance right there. And then up until 70 minutes, because she stays for 60 minutes, she's going to stay at her friend's house. So that means that she's not going to move at all. So here we have two intervals. In the first interval, the slope is going to be positive because she's going to be moving distance. And then on the second one, since she's not moving and she's staying at her friend's house, the slope is going to be of 0. And that is pretty much it for today, guys. So remember, when the value is increasing, you have a positive slope. When the value is decreasing, you have a negative slope. And when the value remains unchanged, your slope is going to be 0. So see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.
Check out these other videos to improve your math skills, and make sure you click that subscribe button to make the community grow. Follow ohmathgad in its social media accounts, drop a like, a comment below, and see you on the next one. Bye!